Hey guys, so we're back again. Another wet Monday morning, and I've failed. I've failed already. I know in the last video I said we were going to try and upload content on a daily basis. That hasn't happened, I'm afraid. So we're a week on from the last video. That's just the kind of week it's been. Now I promise you, I'll try and get content uploaded a little bit more regularly. We've got a really busy week this week, so hopefully, we can get together some content and, as I say, upload that on a more regular basis. So yeah, what have we got on this week? I think in the last video I mentioned to you about that V12 XJS. We've got that back now from the air conditioning people. So that is all. Air conditioning's great, ice cold, toasty warm when you need it to be, so that's all working correctly. So thanks to the guys at the air conditioning place for that job. That's brilliant. As I say, we'll get a walk around video of that. That's a promise. We'll try and get it out on the road and let you have a look at that out on the road. What else have we got to do this week? Got a customer coming to view our blue XK8 hopefully today, so we'll probably get a look at that. The X300 XJ6 which you can see in the previous video, that's still here. We had a customer come and view it. Nope, I haven't heard anything from him since, so I'm guessing he doesn't want it. I did say he was going to let me know, but hey ho, he hasn't done. So that's still here, which is a shame because it's a really nice car. But hey ho, but obviously just not quite what he's looking for. The black XJR that I think maybe you also caught a little glimpse of in the previous video, we're going to get that cleaned up this week. Valeted, buffed, photographed, adverts, and let's get that one up for sale. And then I'm just looking out of the office window here. I'm just trying to think what else we need to do. We've got headliner work on this week. I believe we've got a nice XKRS, Jaguar XK8 arriving this week for a headliner repair, so that'll be good to get a look at that. So yeah, plenty to be getting on with. So let's crack on and see what today brings. Okay guys, speak to you soon. Okay guys, just want to very quickly show you this lovely XK8 that we've got in at the moment. Low mileage car, 45,000 I think, something around that mileage wise. Yeah, really nice car, up for sale at the moment with us. Pacific Blue I think is the colour on this one. But yeah, really nice example, so I'll just give you a quick walk round and then you guys can have a look at it. These have aged really nicely, haven't they, since they came out. I think they were a bit perhaps Marmite amongst the Jag enthusiasts. I suppose they were trying to sort of perhaps you know, give us a new E-Type. I'm not sure whether they succeeded in doing that, but I think the car's aged really nicely. 5-spoke alloys on it. I'll show you the inside in just a second. But yeah, this is a really nice solid example. A lot of these are very tired now. I mean, they're getting on for, you know, the oldest cars are 25 years old now. I think the youngest X100s are, what will they be, 18 years old, 17, 18 years old. So this one's stood up nicely, stood the test of time nicely. As I say, low mileage. Nice tidy car. No sign of any rust on the bodywork. The usual weak areas are good. I'll show you inside very quickly. Just bear with me. So as you can see guys, we've got the cream leather and the cream with the mushroom top, the two-tone dash, which is usual for these. Now the headliner on this one, it has been replaced with a aftermarket, in one of the fiberglass headliners. The A panels haven't been done yet. They obviously decided not to do those for some reason, but we'll do those when the car's sold. But yeah, lovely order, beautiful dash on these. Just so classy, so classy. Yep, so there she is. I'll just give you a quick under the bonnet. You can have a look. Quick under bonnet. There we go. Again, nice and clean under there. 4 litre this one. The later ones went to 4.2, but this is the earlier 4 litre. But yeah, nice and clean, good low mileage example. And she's for sale, so if you like what you see, check out the website. You'll see some images on the website and all the information's on there. So yeah, if you do fancy it and you think it might be for you, give us a call. Shut that down again. And whilst we're over this way, this is the 6 litre V12 XJS that I was talking about a little bit earlier. We got it back from the air conditioning people this week, so that's all up and running and ready to go to its new owner. As I say, I want to get a good walk around video of this for you at some point this week. We might even take it out for a run. Lovely car, that one, really nice car. So as I say, hopefully get a bit more info for you on this one at some point this week. Now here, just very quickly, I'll show you this. Another part of the business is our headliner repair service. We've got one here from a Golf R32. As you can see, it's starting to sag there, and it's torn as well, so it's the material sagging. So So that's a job we've got to do this week. We're waiting on the material. There's a delay on the supply of the material, so I've been waiting a couple of weeks almost for the material to come in to the suppliers. So that's a job hopefully we'll get onto this week, and I'll show you that in a little bit more detail, because it's quite a common thing on. That gives you an idea of what we do. So that's an Alpha GTV headliner that it's like a demonstration piece, if you like. We've cut that in half. That shows you what it was like, sagging, and someone had made an attempt to glue it, and then we've retrimmed it. So that's a sort of finished retrimmed headliner. So again, that's a service that we provide here, and hopefully we'll get some headliner repairs on video for you as well, if that might, or well, it may be of interest, it may not, but we'll get it on there. Okay guys, so I think that about wraps up anything we're doing down at the unit today. We're going to head off back home. I've got a bit of paperwork to do, the boring stuff, a few emails to send, etc, etc. I'll get the video uploaded, as I say, today. If you like it, again, please subscribe. We're trying to grow the channel, so if you could help us, would be massively appreciated. We'll be back hopefully tomorrow with some more content. As I say, we've got looking forward to the XK8 Jaguar arriving for the headliner repair this week, because that's a rare car and they're a nice thing. We had one in only a couple of months ago, quite a rare car, so it's nice to get another one in. Looks like my battery's about to die, as I say, hope you enjoyed the video. Please please subscribe, and we'll see you very soon with another one. Thanks guys.